The eye of Hurricane Maria just came ashore in Puerto Rico. Officials there predict entire towns will have to be rebuilt.
The Hurricane Maria stayed here in the island for probably 8 to 10 hours.
Almost everything that was vertical was horizontal. The whole power grid was pretty much out.
We're driving down the freeway and there's no lights. It looked like the eeriest story you've ever seen in your life.
The hurricane hit us pretty bad from a network perspective. We need to provide communication to the island, not only for the short-term survival, but for the long-term viability that Puerto Rico can function as a society.
After the hurricanes, one of the things that we tried to do was to figure out how we could actually build Puerto Rico stronger, not just in the sense of telecommunications, but how can we bring all of Puerto Rico together?
Everybody knows that we are moving into the internet services, applications. That's something that you use on every single aspect of your life. Schools, hospitals, safety, everything is about internet. Because Hurricane Maria destroyed everything in Puerto Rico, we were able to move forward with the implementation of the 5G technology practically 2 years before the original date.
The 600 spectrum actually broadcasts further, so in areas we never actually served before, we were able to do that. So at the end of our restoration efforts, we were able to continue rebuilding Puerto Rico, and it was an amazing story that came out of that.
There's going to be a lot of data services coming with 5G. You will see a lot more speed, network quality, and services that's going to be in another level.
The first thing you want to do is get people working, get their life back to normal, and then see the advancement. And this is a beautiful way of actually moving Puerto Rico forward.
By having 5G everywhere, we're going to be the one offering them that opportunity to get the benefit of the 5G technology. And that's something that we have a big impact at the family level, at the work level, community level. That's important.